Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My people, May Edochie has finally moved on. Some people say May Edochie boyfriend. Some people say May Edochie don't date. Some people say May Edochie don't get boyfriend. This whole story don't reach Grandpapa Pete's table. He heard that May Edochie now has a boyfriend. May Edochie is now dating another man. Grandpapa Pete have come up with rules and regulations. My people, when we thought we've seen it all in this family, when we thought we've heard it all, we just knew the start story. The family you marry into matters a lot. Watch the way the old men in that family, watch their character. If you are going to marry this man, don't just look at the man. Look at his father, his brother, his uncle, his bogboni, all the men in that family. It will help you because person they pray make it not condemn the situation of divorce. These people go whine you. They will whine you, Hi, you go dey cry every day. Who send me enter this family? My lovely fans, the moment Grandpapa Pete here say, they say May Edochie don't get boyfriend. May Edochie has moved on with her life. She's dating someone. Now Grandpapa jump up. I was expecting Amobingo to take this drastic action. No. But rather, it was Grandpapa that took these drastic actions. Grandpapa jump up, say, May Edochie dating another man. That can never be possible. Now Grandpapa begin bring out rules and regulation. Grandpapa carry phone, call May Edochie elder brother. You all know May Edochie elder brother. He call him. He tell him, say, Una, Biko, Beba. Beba, because it is about to happen. If it happen, nobody should hold them responsible. Now May Edochie elder brother say, wetin dey happen? He say May Edochie don't go the date another man. May Edochie already have a boyfriend. She don't already get man for her life. When the needful is not yet completed. Say the consequences. Their family, they don't joke with it. There are many things that will go wrong. If they tell them now, make them not come talk, say, Grandpapa do one bad thing, he touch one thing, and na he cause am. If they tell them for ground. Any woman, when he marry for their family, before they go date man, the whole process must be complete. If not, the consequences is very visible. They take time before they strike. Now he tell me Edochie elder brother. He say me Edochie have not completed her rituals for which she take end her marriage. And without doubt, May Edochie cannot date any man. She cannot. He said May Edochie cannot date any man. She cannot date any man. The consequences of May Edochie stepping her feet outside to date a man, it is dangerous. He has said his own. Now May Edochie elder brother tell Grandpapa say, that one a story. Which consequences won't be for his sister? Marriage never end. Everything una say make this woman do, she've done it. Now grandpapa say na lie. That there is one ritual when they say make me do, she can't do. Me do, she say she no dey do. He say me do, she refuse to do that ritual, whereby a white cloth which me Edoche suppose collect from their ancestors, e no collect am. Most of you that are following me in this channel, remember when I carry the details of one white cloth when me Edoche take swear with their ancestors when they just marry and enter into the Edoche family. After the marriage end, she will still go and renounce those things. Then they will give her that white cloth. Now she go carry that white cloth, go burn her by herself. That ends everything that have to do with a traditional marriage. May Edoche, during the time when they say make May Edoche, can't do that rituals. May Edoche no go for that rituals. So May Edoche was demanding for that white cloth. That white cloth, till today, they never give May Edoche. May Edoche, she never collect that white cloth when they say welcome her into their ancestral home. She never take her. That white cloth, grandpapa never still give May Edoche. So, and that white cloth now be the final ending of the traditional marriage. Now grandpapa can't tell me, Edoche, that brother say, that cloth is not with me Edoche, it's still with them. That means me Edoche has not finalized everything. Say if me Edoche not finalize am, anything will happen to me Edoche, they not get hand for inside. Now me Edoche elder brother. Now me Edoche elder brother tell grandpapa say that one a foul. That one a lie. According to May Edoche elder brother, during the time when they take call May Edoche, make May Edoche can't do those things so that they will return the white cloth. They were calling during that time. One pastor see vision for May Edoche, say make May Edoche not go. They want to use that thing against her. They won't use that thing against May Edoche. If May Edoche go do that thing, they will enter her. Because that thing is something like diabolical something. They will turn everything against May Edoche. They want May Edoche not to go. Now May Edoche can't go confirm from some elders. Now May Edoche can't tell the family. Say, see wetin pastor tell am. May Edoche elder brother can't carry some of their elders. They can't go Itenje. My people, look before you marry. If not, na waka waka, na the end marriage. May Edoche elder brother can't carry some of their elders for Ebonyi State. They can't go Itenje. As they reach Itenje, they can't tell Pete Edoche family people say, see wetin Pete Edoche dey talk. He say if May Edoche not come, May Edoche not come stand before the ancestors, tell them say marriage don't end, make them set them free. Say they no fit return white cloth. Now grandpapa family people say that one a foul story for the gods. Say it's not done like that. As long as bride price has been returned, as long as they don't collect bride price, the bride price don't settle. The family, the ancestors, they already know that this person, they know they hold anything again. Now for May Edoche to collect a white cloth when she take any oath with their ancestors, because that white cloth, she need it, she need to collect it and burn it. And since then, May Edoche has been dragging for this white cloth, which they refuse to give her. Now May Edoche say, now una know, now una business. Make una carry white cloth, they go. So, according to, this is what the elders told May Edoche elder brother and the family. Now make them not come talk about May Edochie going to grandpapa house, go renounce any oath wey she swear. Because according to them, it is of no use. Wetin dey of use after the end of the marriage is the bride price. The bride price should be properly returned. That is the important thing. Once they return the bride price, the woman is free. She is free. She is free to do whatsoever she wants. She is no longer under that man. But they tell me, Edochie say that white cloth is important. The reason why that white cloth is important, they can use it against her in diabolical way. Because now white wrapper wey she tie, they do some kind of things in their ancestral home. It is important for her to take it. But me Edochie drag, they no gree give her. What you say make the woman do? Make it come by, make her enemy buy because of white cloth. I leave am for them. So that white cloth now is what they want to use against me Edochie. But make it not be like say now they can't use the white cloth. They can't dey talk say me Edochie no can't do that thing. So as me Edochie no can't do that thing, if she date any man or friend any man, that thing go backfire. Say the ancestors go backfire. Now dear me Edochie elder brother challenge grandpapa Pete say you lie. They know the story. Even if their name is not Edochie, they are Aligwe. They know your family story. As long as bride price is being returned, marriage don't end. And that white cloth wanna refuse to give his sister. If anything happened to his own sister, they will arrest all of una. Una house go empty, go dry. Una house go dry. Soldiers go finish. Navy go finish for your house. Because that white cloth represents a lot of things. So you people are holding that white cloth so that you can use it against her. So that when the thing they do and she will now run to you people. Then you now come begin to take control. Me Edochie elder brother say they did not just fold their hands when you said that if me Edochie not come stand before your ancestors, now so this go happen, now so that go happen. They went as far as to your village, to your elders, and they find out that it has nothing. That thing when you say make his sister come swear have nothing to do with the end of a marriage. Now me Edochie elder brother tell grandpapa say me Edochie is very free now to date who she wants, to go out with who she wants, to sleep with who she wants. This his sister don't dey for years waiting to end this marriage properly without staining her name. And you people want her to continue to be single. While your son, they get 10, 20 women with different baby mamas everywhere. We should not definitely know all of una they cover. Do you want to say you don't know that your son have baby mamas? You all know una cover. If your ancestors cannot buy your son for deceiving her sister for years in that marriage, then that ancestors, if they dare come close to her sister, they go buy for their spirit word for them. Now me Edochie elder brother tell grandpapa say they should leave her sister alone. And that white cloth, if they like, they return it. If they like, they not return it. But if anything happen to their sister, remember, they know where it's coming from. Now that white cloth that you refuse to give to her sister. Her sister is free. She know the whole una money. She know the whole una drink. Everything wanna bring come. They make sure they return all. They go watch the video of that marriage. Everything wanna bring come. Everything was returned because of tomorrow. Now they tell grandpapa say, grandpapa, you know say me Edochie is free. But you just want to use this thing to oppress this woman. Me Edochie elder brother say it will not work. He tell grandpapa say it no will work. May Edochie will friend who she want to friend. She will date who she want to date. The marriage is over. And she's very free. And she's very free to go out with anybody. Now grandpapa say, okay, oh, he say make him talk. Now me Edochie brother say, there is nothing to talk. Make headache no worry his sister. Make leg no pain his sister. Make belly no pain his sister. Make his sister not wake up one morning, her face swell up. The story go change for una. It go change. Her sister have endured enough. Her sister don't carry crosses for head because of una. Let her be. Let her be. Now grandpapa say, okay, you don't hear. Now me Edochie that brother tell grandpapa say, she and her family members, they will visit grandpapa for that cloth. You see, for that me Edochie cloth, they will visit grandpapa at the right time. They never ready now. When they're ready, that cloth, they will bring it out. My people, now they see waiting they happen. Get strong family members, so it's not about I married the man, I don't end marriage. Get better family members when they stand by you. If now only me Edochie, do you think this woman will be free? This woman no go ever free if now only she. She no go ever free. They go tie down. After the marriage, they will pin her there. Do you know how many women, when they don't leave marriage, they go they cry, make me a take bride price. It be like when Piggy, what they call her, Peggy Viri, when he come out that day, when she was dancing that the man have collected the bride price. People were saying, what is she dancing for? I look at them and I laugh. Not every family na easy. Some family, if your bride price is not properly returned, the consequences is strong. Many women don't know the consequences is strong. Oh, is strong. Some girls' children just the academics they go. Now those things they cause them oh show free, open now. If they don't do the finish, the eye go clear. Some boys' children they just bonded, they just useless. If you think I'm lying, go and check Ekwensu first son. Now say they put it. People they say it's okay, it's okay. Now so that they be like that they okay. Abomination. You operate especially on the children and not the people that committed it. That's why you need to free yourself totally. May Edochie wait and did everything properly. Return everything properly. Make sure that no sin, no abomination, because she know where she go put her leg. She make sure say everything free. But yet they say umbano, you know free. Now so they be. If you marry family where they sit down for front of church, if you marry for that family when they near Jesus Christ pass, if you marry for that family, you go hear her out. After all these years, this woman, now so she fall down. Men they come, billionaires they come, millionaires they come. Men do she fall down. Her hand was tied down. Everything don't end now. They say na lie. Now the white clothes. You know, so when I carry that white cloth come that time, I tell you now say they never return her. People come they carry, they don't return her, they don't return. I not talk. Because if you talk now, you will carry the tori come. You never finish the tori, they'll carry, they'll go turn upside down for your head. You can't stand, you know, you can't talk. You know, even can't give the details again. You go just leave them, that they give their own, they go for that side. That cloth that time, they no return her. I was voicing it out so that May Edochie, so that it go reach their ear. They go use shame to give me Edochie. But some bloggers come, they say they don't give her cloth. They don't return the cloth. They don't even know the story. They say they don't return cloth. The cloth they no return. That cloth they no return. Grandpapa no return. That cloth now won't use against this woman. But me Edochie, she's not traditional person. When she ended the marriage, she make requirements. She ask question and she follow the rules and regulation. And she's free, totally free. Totally free. If anything happens to her, now that white cloth, now they use, now they won't use against her. Which the family of me Edochie, they don't already find out. And they don't tell my papa. If Eddie quarry our sister, if belle pain her, if leg pain her, if she sleep her face swell up, now you will go. She know the whole na anything. We don't return everything given her. We don't give her everything. Marriage is not by force. Marriage is not eternity. If we end the end, your son they do in life. You don't want another person pikin make it free. You don't want let this woman go. You don't want free this woman. My people, they say they won't still go when they go collect the white cloth. But me Edochie elder brother say he won't fair talk to his elders, explain, give them, talk to them. Say, oh yeah, what do we do about this white cloths? What do we do about it? How do we go about it? And remember, all these things not be waiting person just they wake up. He go say, chest start, I want to do it. There are many things that need to be done. So this is not what me Edochie can battle. Or rather, he brother fit battle. Now their family members, now they need now. The elders, now they need now. You see, when you dey go marry so, now make they say carry your village people, carry your elders follow body. So that if the marriage they backfire, you go still carry them follow body. The only thing where elders they hear now when elders talk to elders. You as a wife, if you dey talk, they know they listen. Some family they will say women no enter our family meeting, sit down for outside. Some family people, some elders, they know they agree make woman sit down for where they do meeting. They'll say me stay outside, they report. So when it come to this point, now your elders and the elders of that family, now they go they throw their basketballs give each other. You see, I say go call me Edochie brother, you not call me Edochie. Thank God say me Edochie are elders now to elders. Elders to elders. Now come be the battle now. My lovely fans, now wow. Now wow. For this, the Edochie family. Before you go marry for them, look well. Look well, shine your eye. Family where they select wife. If to say that family not they select, they for carry Yikolus. You see as they fling her. And papa no even see Yikolus for eye before he reject her. He no see her for eye. Because the moment the son presents, the moment he hears somebody like this, that man don't go shake. He don't go shake things. The gift when Yikolus bring come, the man return her. He no collect one. The wife no accept her. You think say those kind of family, they just wake up say, no, I don't want her. Family wey be say, they sit down for front of church. That church, wetin they do pass them. Now me Edochie enter. You see how they wanted to attack this woman. But thank God for her family members. Now elders to elders now. It's not me Edochie to them. Me Edochie is their house. Anything where they happen are between the elders of me Edochie and Pete Edochie. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.